What'd you say?
Take a picture.
No pictures?
You need to climb up. There.
Got it.
What?
I took a picture.
You're gonna go on the big slide.
Yeah.
That one you can come up.
I'm watching you. Hold tight. I gotcha. I took your picture. Go ahead. Go ahead. You want me to come up there with you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. It does look like fun.
Climb up the steps, okay?
Okay.
You can go up.
Okay.
This is tunnel. Yellow tunnel.
Okay, go. Look up here.
Go down the slide.
You did it.
Go down the slide.
You want me to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. It's just a slide.
That's fun?
Yeah.
Okay, it's my turn to do this. I just stepped.
Hold tight.
I just stepped.
That is a big slide. I'm watching you. Nope, you go. I'll see you at the bottom. Okay, go. I'm watching for the bottom. Yep. No, I'm gonna watch you. I'll watch you from down here. Go, please. And go. Woohoo! You want to do that other slide, or you want to do a swing?
I'll do that slide.
That one up there?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Hold tight. Hold tight. Okay, do it. Go. I will. I'll catch you. Okay. Go. Woo!
Okay, let's go that one. Okay?
Look at the camera.
See?
Look at me. I love you.
I love to. Let's go that part.
Okay.